The theme is Jamaica 62, one love to the world. Jamaica, one love to the world. And I want to say to Jamaicans that you must all in your 775 communities across Jamaica plan to celebrate, start preparing, plan your street dances, plan your own mini gala in your communities. Spread the love with your brothers and your sisters and your neighbors because we are saying Jamaica 62, one love to the world, and so you must be one love to my brother and my sister and everybody around. I want to say to all Jamaicans, as you reflect on our past and from where we're coming, please make sure your vision of Jamaica in the future is one that is positive and one where you are committed to play your part in making sure that Jamaica becomes that greatest little nation.